Hello, my name is Devin.
And I'm Robert, and we're with United HVAC Motors.
We remanufacture X13 2.3 Eons and 3.0 motors.
You can find us on the web at unitedhvacmotors.com or call us at 813-440-8108. Today, Devin's going to show you how to install a blower motor.
Slide it over as so. Make sure none of the legs are next to the clip. Tighten it a little bit. And you're going to want it halfway in between the top and the bottom of the motor, approximately. You got the legs tightened down. Blower motor. Find the hole in the motor where the flat part of the shaft will be going. The set screw needs to sit in the shaft, the flat part. Make sure the hole where the set screw goes in lines up with the flat part of the shaft. And then you can tighten down this part once you got that to slide in. Different size. After that, you should be able to slide the fan and line it up to where you can spin it without it touching either side, and it's about equal distance from each side. And then get it to make sure you're lined up with that flat part of the shaft and tighten down the set screw. That's just an 8mm wrench, and just tighten it down tight enough to hold it as tight as you can. And you're set.